If you are still burning thousands of dollars a month running Claude Opus or Gemini Pro for complex developer pipelines, stop what you are doing right now. Moonshot AI recently dropped Kimi K2.6, an absolute monster of an open-weight, 1 trillion parameter mixture of experts model. And the real kicker? On the Moonshot AI platform, Kimi K2.6 pricing hits a dirt cheap a little more than $0.50 per million input tokens. That makes it roughly 8 to 10 times cheaper than Claude. But is Kimi K2.6 worth it? Or is it just cheap marketing fluff? In this Kimi 2.6 review, we are diving deep under the hood. We'll look at its massive context window size, its terrifying long-horizon coding capabilities, and we'll put it head-to-head in a brutal Kimi K2.6 versus DeepSeek V4 comparison. Plus, I'll mention another great use of this model. You can integrate it directly into your business using wild Kimi K2.6 AI SEO workflows and increase your revenue. Let's get into it. Let's look at the hard data to see how good is Kimi K2.6 compared to other models. Architecturally, Kimi runs a massive 1 trillion parameter mixture of experts engine, but it only activates 32 billion parameters per token. This keeps latency lightning fast while giving the model deep, emergent reasoning capabilities. When we look at the raw Kimi K2.6 benchmark numbers, it scores an incredible 54% on the HLE full with tools, actively edging past OpenAI's top models and Claude Opus. On math and hard logic, its AIME 2026 score sits at a staggering 96.4%. Now look at the Kimi K2.6 context window size. We are talking about a native, hyperstable 262,144 token window. That means you can dump entire code repositories or massive multi-hundred-page market analysis research documents straight into the prompt without the model losing its memory thread. Where Kimi AI truly separates itself from typical LLMs is in Kimi K2.6 agentic coding performance. This model isn't just designed to generate quick boilerplate snippets. It's built for long-horizon coding capabilities. Moonshot tested this by letting the AI loose autonomously for 13 hours on an 8-year-old open-source financial matching engine called ExchangeCore. Running an internal swarm of up to 300 parallel subagents over 4,000 coordinated steps, Kimi analyzed CPU flame graphs, identified deeply buried hardware bottlenecks, refactored the thread topology entirely, and optimized 4,000 lines of code. It achieved a 185% boost in throughput completely unattended. If you want to view its architectural capabilities yourself, you can check out the documentation via the official link down in our description below. Let's address the elephant in the room. How does it look when we compare Kimi 2.6 with Gemini, Claude, and DeepSeek? When looking at Kimi K2.6 versus Claude, Claude still holds a razor-thin edge on highly creative, human-nuanced system architecture design, but Kimi demolishes it on execution cost arbitrage. You can run millions of repetitive agentic loops on Kimi for a fraction of the cost. In the Kimi K2.6 versus DeepSeek V4 comparison, DeepSeek undercuts everyone on raw token costs at around 14 cents per million, but Kimi's native multi-agent coordination system, called Claude Groups, scales much better for long, multi-hour engineering pipelines. And compared to Gemini's massive context window, Kimi presents a significantly tighter, more precise tool calling accuracy rate, meaning your agents screw up far less when executing complex multi-step functions. But you don't just have to use Kimi for software development. One of its most underrated superpowers is executing complex AI SEO workflows. Because it handles long-horizon tasks, you can set up a specialized content brief agent setup that operates autonomously. Here is how to use Kimi K2.6 for keyword research. Input your primary seed terms, let its web browsing subagents crawl live search engine result pages, extract search intent patterns, map semantic clusters, and generate an end-to-end SEO content blueprint. It doesn't just hand you a list of words. It outputs ready-to-write markdown structures mapped to real-time search volume gaps. So how do you get your hands on it? There are 3 distinct ways to run it right now. First, if you want to run Kimi K2.6 locally, developers are already building integrations to run optimized quantized variants of Allama setups for secure private environments. Second, if you want developer endpoints, knowing how to get API access is simple. While you can use Moonshot's native platform, the absolute cheapest way to access Kimi K2.6 right now is through API routers like Parasail or Deep Infra. Providers like DeepInfra offer API access at 75 cents per million input tokens, but they add prompt caching down to just 15 cents per million tokens. For an agentic workspace that sends the same context over and over again, this will save you up to 88% on your monthly AI bills. The open-weight agent revolution is happening fast, and Moonshot AI is leading the pack. Are you going to keep paying premium prices for closed APIs? Or are you migrating your pipeline to Kimi K2.6? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep engineering breakdowns, and I will see you in the next one.